Hey, fifth grade. Okay, so this tutorial real quick is gonna go over how to open up a Cami and to submit a Cami assignment. So we're gonna go into our writing right here, and we are gonna go to our Cami assignment, which is, let's see here, we have one right here. So the lesson 5, you have a Cami assignment coming up. And so you'll have this little link here, which will say Cami in classroom, right? It's telling you to turn it in when you're done. So this is it'll kind of help you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this PDF and it's going to open up here, right? We cannot type on it. It doesn't matter what I do, I cannot type on it. A common mistake that you guys are making is that you'll see this, you're not sure what to do. You're just like, I'm going to click turn in, okay? You did not do your assignment. So I'm going to return it to you because it is not complete. So you click on the assignment and you have two options. You can click this little guy up here in the middle piece, open with Cami, or you can just click right here. This little blue bar with a K says open with Cami. So you're going to click that. And once you click on open with Cami, you're going to authorize Google Drive, which some of you have already done with your work. So some of you already have not. And then of course you're going to say allow. So you're going to allow this. Now it's going to take you all the way through it again. You're going to have to just make sure you say who you are. And right now I'm pretending to be Diego, my little second grader. Okay. So over here on the side, you have these little options, right? So this is your comment option. So you can click on a comment and you can leave a comment. Right here is your markup. You can do text to speech. So say you want it to be read to you, you can do text to speech. So it'll read it to you if you want it to. Your job though is to go, when you complete the assignment, you're gonna click on this little text box. Once you click on the text box, you can then click anywhere on the page and do your work. So right here, click on it and you can type, okay? And once you are done, you're completed with your assignment, you're gonna go up here to where it says turn in. So again, you are gonna go up to the top where it says turn in. Then you're gonna click on turn in and it's gonna give you another turn in option and you're gonna say turn in please. Yes, click on turn in. And it's gonna save it on its own. So once you're finished with that, you'll have this little unsubmit guy. You're done, right? So you're done, you don't need to do it. You can click out of it. We don't need this anymore. So click out of it. You can go back to your Google Classroom. Now, you've already done the assignment. You've already done the Cami work. So now here you can click the turn in, okay? And then I will see it from my end. Now, boys and girls, if this was confusing or there was a part of the video that you weren't sure of, just go back and rewatch it. Okay, this is here to support you through your Cami work, especially because we have quite a few assignments upcoming in math and in writing that are going to require you to use this Cami app. So please don't hesitate to ask questions. There's no such thing as a bad question. And make sure you watch the video and follow the directions, and that should be supportive. Good luck, guys, and thank you for your hard work. Go Challengers.